As discussed before, we actually have 5 different places where we can plug in wired microphones. We can have up to 5 wired microphones added to our permanent sound system, and I just want to review with you where all of those spots are. So the first 2 are right here at the front of the stage, right behind where my desk usually is during class time. And as you can see, they have been labeled mic 1 and mic 2, and on the opposite side is channel 5 and channel 6, because those are the actual settings on the soundboard in the booth that mic 1 and 2 are connected to. So these are the 2 at the front of the stage. Microphone 3 is in the stage left wing. So again, if you come right up to the front, right beside where the stage crew podium desk is, you'll see the patch is actually right here. There's channel 3, and there's mic 3, and that's connected to channel 7 up on the soundboard. Mic 4 is in the right wing. If you come right to the front, behind where the stage crew light is, and right beside where we have our HDMI, our DMX cords at the back, we also have microphone 4, which is connected to channel 8 on the soundboard. At the very back of the stage, we actually have a microphone patch. So right at the very back, beside the electrical plugs, and what used to be something is now just a blank box, we have microphone 5, which is connected to channel 9 on the soundboard.